Hi class, welcome to week 6 in Law of Banking and Financial Institutions. This is Professor Dunaway. I hope that you all had a great week 5 and that you're having a great weekend. I'm actually trying to get a step ahead of things and I'm posting this announcement on Saturday evening. So still the middle of the weekend, so hope you're all able to enjoy yourselves even though there is an assignment due tomorrow, June 11th. So that serves as my reminder that there's an assignment due, your third one, June 11th. So tomorrow, Sunday, by depending on what time zone you're in, it's already tomorrow. So June 11th by 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So that was be your assignment 3. Assignment 2 was due last week. I've posted those grades and I will be commenting more on that next week. And then for your first assignment, again, your grades were posted a couple weeks ago or a week and a half ago, I guess. But I just wanted to make some comments. So overall, everyone did a very good job. If you didn't lose points, you were told why in the comments back to you. Overall, I would say that you need to make sure that you're answering all parts of the question. So for example, if we ask, when we ask for, discuss state law or discuss California law or discuss this case, we mean it and we really want you to do that. If you don't, you will lose points. So just make sure that everything that's in the question that you are addressing in your answer. I think that was the main thing I saw, were just students not addressing all parts of questions. So, but overall, everyone did a great job, and I was very happy. And also, you want to make sure that you are citing and providing citations for your citing your answers and providing citations. Maybe I shouldn't post this on Saturday evening because I'm tired. Anyway, that you're giving citations for your answers. So make sure you're doing that as well. But again, overall, everyone is doing great. I'm very, very pleased with everyone. So again, we just finished week 5. Now I'm hesitating. And in week 5, you learned about bank charters. Let me scroll up. Bank charters or other bank charters, savings associations, industrial banks, and non-bank banks and credit unions. So if you have a good understanding of the roles, powers, and history of each of those, then you are in good shape for week 5. And then week 6 and 7, we'll be moving on to discuss major bank regulations. So then in week 6, there'll be some principal lending regulations and some consumer protection laws and regulations we'll be going over. And then in week 7, we'll be going over some principal deposit regulations, operations, and then some other bank laws and regulations. So lots of regulation talk in the next couple weeks. For this week, week 6, there is one video posted. And then we say that there's optional reading. So within the video and also then on the PowerPoint, there's various, obviously since we're discussing bank regulations, there's various regulations that you can take a look at. You could just do Google searches for all of those regulations and they would come up. It's much easier than posting those because sometimes they're very lengthy, and Professor DeLune did mark this as optional reading. So if there's certain regulations you're more interested in and want to take a look at, more in depth, or you're just not sure of what some are regulating, you can obviously take a look at those. So again, he will be discussing those in the lectures, and then they are also obviously in the PowerPoints for the lectures that will be posted this week and next week. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. But there is no other reading other than taking a look at whatever regulations you feel you would like to take a look at. So discussion forum last week, again, same comments, everybody's doing great. Heaven, good job with your posts. You posted timely. multiple threads, several posts, so good job, good interaction with other students. Overall, everyone doing a good job. My same comment is it seems like the only reason people are losing points is not posting on time, but other than that, for the most part, citations are good. Interaction's really good, so I'm very, very pleased with what everyone is doing in the discussion forum, so keep that up. So this week you want to post in the discussion forum, watch the video, if you want to do the optional reading and take a look at those regulations. And then optional office hours this week are with me on Thursday, 6 p.m. from 6 to 7 p.m. Pacific time. And your next assignment is due next week, or no, not next week, 2 weeks. Sorry, you have a week off from assignments. So your next assignment is due the end of week 7, which is June 25th. And that's been posted, so it's right here. So if you want to go and take a look at that and get a jump start on it, it is there. And I think that is everything. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me. If not, I hope everyone has a great week. And don't forget to get your assignments in tomorrow. And if it's already tomorrow, by 11:59 p.m. on June 11th for assignment 3. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a great week. Bye-bye.